Hello friends, so today I will introduce you to fractions. So let's see what fractions are. What are fractions? Fractions are a part of a whole. Example 1 upon 2 also can be called as half fraction or half of something of a whole thing. Examples of fraction. In this example, you can see a pizza. The first plate of pizza on the top has no piece, so it's 0. Then you go to the right of that has one piece, so it's 1 upon 8. The, the denominator 8 is because you can see in the last piece of pizza there are 8 pieces. So 8 is the denominator because the last one is whole. So the second one is 1 upon 8. The third one is 2 upon 8. Then you come to the middle line. The first one 3 upon 8. Then 4 pieces are there, so 4 upon 8. Then 5 pieces are there, so 5 upon 8. Then you come to the last line. It has 6 pieces, so 6 upon 8. Then 7 pieces, so 7 upon 8. And then the last one, which has 8 pieces, 8 upon 8. 8 you can also call 8 upon 8 as one whole. In this example, you can see a pie. The first pie is divided into two parts and one part is shaded, so 1 upon 2. The second pie to the right of that is divided into four parts and one part is shaded, so 1 upon 4. And then you come down and then you see a pie which is divided into three parts and one part is shaded, so 1 upon 3. Then four parts are there and three parts are shaded, so 3 upon 4. Now what are like fractions? Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Example 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 17 upon 8. They all have a common denominator, that is 8. Unlike fractions. Now what are unlike fractions? Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. In these pi fractions you can see 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 all have different denominators, so they are unlike fractions. Now what are proper fractions? Fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator are called proper fractions. Example 2 upon 3, 3 upon 6, 5 upon 7 and 16 upon 40. Improper fractions. Fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Few examples are 3 upon 2, 6 upon 3, 7 upon 5 and 40 upon 16. What is mixed number? Fractions which have a whole and a fractional part is called a mixed number. Few examples are 4, 5 upon 9, 3, 2 upon 9, 5, 6 upon 7, 3, 1 upon 2. We read mixed numbers with a pause to represent a whole and a fractional part. For example, in this example, 4 and then a pause, 5 upon 9, 3 and then a pause, 2 upon 9. Now let's do a quick recap. We use fractions in our daily life. Few examples are when we go to a birthday party, the cake we eat. Another example is making an activity pie. Like fractions are fractions whose denominators are same. Unlike fractions are fractions which have the different denominators. Proper fractions are fractions which have the smaller numerator than the denominator. Improper fractions are fractions which have the bigger numerator than the denominator. Fractions which have a whole and a fractional part are called mixed number. So thank you friends. Please like this video, share, comment and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye friends.